In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PST file in Outlook 365. This is a very simple process, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. A PST file, also called an Outlook data file, is commonly used to store emails, calendar items, contacts, and other Outlook information locally on your computer. It can be useful if you want to keep a separate archive, back up certain items, or organize data outside of your main mailbox. To get started, open Outlook 365 on your computer and wait for the app to fully load. Once Outlook is open, make sure you're in the Mail view. This is important because the option we need is easiest to access from there. If Outlook opens in a different section, such as Calendar or People, just switch back to Mail before continuing. Next, look toward the top of the Outlook window and click New Items. This opens a drop-down menu with several options for creating or adding different types of Outlook content. From that menu, move down to More Items. When you select that, another menu will appear with additional choices that are not shown in the main list. In that secondary menu, click Outlook Data File. This is the option used to create a PST file. As soon as you select it, Outlook will open a save window so you can choose where the new file should be stored. At this point, feel free to save it to any folder that makes sense for you. For example, you might place it in a Documents folder, a backup location, or another easy-to-find directory on your computer. When choosing the save location, it's a good idea to pick a folder you'll remember later, especially if you plan to use the PST file for archiving or importing data in the future. You may also want to give the file a clear, descriptive name, so it's easier to recognize later on. Once you choose the folder and confirm the save, the PST file is created. That's it. Outlook will now have a new Outlook data file available for use. So again, the process is simply to open Outlook, go to Mail, click New Items, select More Items, choose Outlook data file, and then save it wherever you want. It's a quick and straightforward task, and now you know exactly how to do it in Outlook 365.